Shalom. I want to start by giving all praises, honor, and glory to Yahawah, bahasham, Yahawashi, double honors to the apostles and to the elders of Great Millstone. This is a little short video, a quick little edification video for the sakes of Genesis, the first chapter. It's going to be about gods. Okay. I'm finna read Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. Now, if you read that in Hebrew, it says, in the beginning, Alahayim created the heaven and the earth. And the word Alahayim means powers or angels. So the word God right there is really Alahayim in the Hebrew, and it means powers or angels. So I'm finna go to this scripture, Isaiah 82 and 6 and 7, to prove who the angels are. I don't know why. Did I say Isaiah? Salakia. Psalms 82 and 6. I have said, ye are gods, and all of you are the children of the Most High. But ye shall die like men and fall like one of the princes. Arise, O God, judge the earth. That ain't having nothing to do with that. But the princes, we are those angels, man, those gods, those powers, those angels that helped Yahawashi create the earth. We was with him in the beginning. This is Jude, the first chapter, the 6th verse. And angels which kept not their first estate. What was their first estate? The spirit world. And who are those angels? The same angels that helped Yahawashi create the earth. But were with Yahawashi when he created the earth, or they probably helped, but left their own habitation. He had reserved in everlasting chains. What are the everlasting chains? This flesh, this body, man. This flesh, man, is an everlasting chain. Under darkness unto the day of the great judgment. And that's why we are in these sinful, dark bodies right now, man. There was another point I wanted to get. I don't forgot it now. That thought done left me. It was real quick, but it left. Dang. But yeah, we the Israelites are those angels. We are those powers that helped him create earth. So it says, if you read it using the it's gonna say, in the beginning the powers created the heaven and earth. You supplant powers in there because it wasn't Yahawah bahasham Yahawashi himself. It was Yahawashi and the powers. In the beginning, the powers created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of the Most High moved upon the face of the waters. I want to get Salakia. Okay. I think it's verse 27. Let us create man in our image. That's what the power said. Salakia, let me find this. The script. Verse 26. And the power said, let us, us make man in our. Those are the two key words right there. Us and our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the fowl of the air, over the cattle, over all the earth, and every creeping thing that creepeth upon the earth. So it wasn't the Most High himself that created the earth. It was the powers, Yahawashi, who created the earth with his angels, or with his elect men, his angels, which we are the angels, But him and his angels created the earth through Yahawah. You know, he gave him the blueprint, basically. So with that, I want to give all, because if Yahawah would have created, he would have said I. He wouldn't have used our or us. He would have said, let me create man in my image. No, he didn't say that. It said us create man in our image. I hope you see the wording right there, but it's clearly plain. So with that, I'm gonna give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahawashi, double honors to the apostles and to the elders, great millstone. I hope y'all was edified through the spirit and power of Yahawashi. Shalom.